we have to find indefinite integral. Because we have x squared in denominator, first we can rewrite this and we will have integral of x to negative 2 power with respect to x. Now we have to use integral of power function formula. Let me remind you. Integral of x to power n with respect to x is equal. In numerator we have x to power n plus 1. In denominator we have n plus 1. And because we have indefinite integral, we have to always add constant c. And n must be different than negative 1. So in our case, n is equal negative 2. So we can substitute to our formula and we have in numerator x to power negative 2 plus 1. In denominator we have negative 2 plus 1 plus constant c. So this is equal x to power negative 1 over negative 1 plus constant c. So this is equal, when we divide positive over negative, we have negative, and let me first write this. We have x to power negative 1 plus c. Because we have negative exponent, we can flip this number, so we have negative 1 over x to first power, we don't have to write 1, plus constant c. This is my solution.